Hello everybody, my name is Logan, and today I'm back with another tutorial video for dominoes. Wow! Now today I'll teach you how to build a domino wall, and this is just a simple trick that you can put in your domino builds. It's really fun to do. I use it in a lot of my domino builds, and just grab dominoes, and let's start. Now, for first I'm going to grab 2 dominoes like this, and place them down about a domino's length apart. Over time, as you build these, you'll get used to the fact that it'll be a length apart, and you won't have to use like a domino to measure it. Now you can choose what size you want this. The smallest size you can have is as 3, which will be really lame in a way. But I'm going to choose size 6, just to show you guys. There we go. 3, 4, 5, and the number 6. Bam. Okay. First step done. Now for second step, we're gonna grab a domino like this and place it down on your horizontal dominoes, and you place another one down from this one, but 1 domino ahead in a way, and you keep on doing that, repeating those steps back and forth. And your second step is complete. Now for your third step, you want to place a domino right here. Sorry guys, if this is not the most perfect domino wall I've ever built before. Place it like this. And then your third step is done. Now you start repeat these steps until you get to like a sort of triangle position. I'll show you. Keep on repeating. You want to be very careful of these type of builds that go that are like very tall, like a speed wall. You want to be very careful. Hope you can knock it down. It is almost complete and done. Now this is what you should get if you did the same amount of dominoes as I did. I'll show you what I mean by that. Now if I did an even amount of dominoes, I did 6, I got in this kind of shape. So say I added a 7th domino, let me show you. Say I added a 7th domino, then it'll end up in a different way. So it's different between even number of dominoes and odd number of dominoes. You can always choose. I usually do odd numbers because it just looks cooler. Don't judge me. It'll look like a pyramid, like a 2D pyramid. Okay. Okay, and if you did 7 dominoes, then you would get something like this. And you can just keep on adding more dominoes and it'll just get bigger and bigger and bigger. Now for a final step, you just build a domino line. Easiest part of all, just make sure you just don't knock it down. If you want to curve the domino, I would recommend 5 dominoes before you curve it. I have my domino line. I hope you build yours, and so knock this thing down. Wait. Okay, it's time to knock this thing down. 3, 2, 1, go. And bam, that was it. I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope you have a good day. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.